Among the Jews, there are good people. Zionists is a racist movement. So among the Muslims, we do have Zionists. What is this? It's a new religion. Choose a new religion other than Islam, but don't say that this is Islam.
Sheikh, some people claim Adolf Hitler was a good person simply because he killed many Jews. And they argue that Jews are enemies of Islam. Is this view correct according to the teachings of Islam? And what should be the proper Islamic attitude towards such historical figures and events? Jazakumullahu khair.
This is sick logic. It's like saying Satan is a good person because he managed to take a lot of the disbelievers to hell by derailing them and diverting them from the straight path into hell. This is sick. Hitler was a dictator, a murderer, and just because he killed our enemies does not make him an ally. As Muslims, we judge people for who they are. He's a disbeliever, and he did heinous things and things that normal humans would not accept. And not all Jews are evil. Among the Jews, there are good people. There are lots of rotten people. So among the Muslims, there are lots of good people and there are rotten people. Why would we paint everyone with the same brush? It's unfair. We have to come back to reality and judge things through the spectrum of Quran and Sunnah to see what pleases Allah and what angers Allah. But simply to come to a tyrant and say, well, he did this and that to our enemies, so he's number one. No, it's not at all the case, and Allah knows best. Fawzan from Indonesia says that his da'i differentiates between the Jews and the Zionists. Well, such a difference has only surfaced lately. Zionists is a racist movement. So among the Muslims, we do have Zionists. Among the Christians, there are Zionists. So it's not related to a religion, to my own humble understanding. When you're a racist, when you are part of the apartheid regime and you want to segregate people and classify them into castes, as in the case of India, this is part of being a Zionist. Men are equal, created equal by Allah Azza wa Jal. But to try to polish the image of the Jews and say that they're not Zionists, this most likely won't work. The Jews are the people of the book. They're all not the same shade. There are of them who are Zionists. There are of them who are open enemies of Islam. And there are those who are not fighting us, not forcing the Muslims out of their homes. So we can try to get closer to those. But in general, the majority of them are against Islam and the Muslims. So therefore, this is the default until proven otherwise, not the other way around. Allah mentioned the Jews in the Quran and described them to us. So, do you think we are going to believe what the media is trying to polish nowadays and neglect our Quran and the Sunnah? No matter who comes, no matter who rules, if they come and say that, no, the Jews are fine. The Holocaust was a horrible thing. We have to teach it to our children, the Muslim children in schools. We have to omit and remove verses of jihad, verses that describe the Jews in the Quran. We have to remove them from our syllabuses at schools. What is this? It's a new religion. Choose a new religion other than Islam, but don't say that this is Islam. This is all part of the global movement to change Islam, to fine-tune it, to dilute it, so it becomes a liberal religion, not related to Islam, where all religions are okay. You want to prostrate to Buddha? It's okay. You want to worship a cow? We'll build you a temple. All of this is not part of Islam. Islam is clear, Quran and Sunnah. Islam is believed by 2 billion Muslims all over the globe. And it's the fastest spreading religion. No matter what you do, you will not succeed. But here is your role as a Muslim, to stand up in the face of such attempts to change your religion. In wisdom, with knowledge, with peace. Explain to the people that this is not Islam. Explain to the people what the hypocrites are trying to do to infiltrate Islam, to undermine the infrastructure of Islam, to change the conviction and the perception of Muslims about Quran and Sunnah, their attempts to destroy our religion. You have to stand up in their face and explain to the world, not to sit idle and say, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, and do nothing.